Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy you are here today. I am Anna and I am feeling very enthusiastic. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is blue and I feel very calm. Do you feel calm today? I hope you are having a wonderful time. Today we have a very delicious topic. We are talking about my favorite thing in the morning.
Hello, Anna. Hello, friends. I am Tom. I am very happy to be here with you all. I feel very good today because I have my favorite drink in my hand. Can you guess what it is? It is warm. It smells very good. Yes, today we are talking about coffee and tea. We are talking about how to prepare these drinks. It is a very useful topic for your daily life.
I love this topic, Tom. Everyone loves a good cup of coffee or a nice cup of tea. It is a very simple thing, but it makes us very happy. Before we start with the steps, I want to say hello to all our friends around the world. Whether you are in a big city or a small village, we are happy you are learning English with us. Please take a second to subscribe to our channel. It helps us stay together.
Yes, please subscribe and give us a like. We love seeing your support. It makes our hearts feel warm, just like a cup of tea. Also, tell us in the comments, do you like coffee or do you like tea? I really want to know. I am a coffee person. I love the smell of coffee in the kitchen. It is the best smell in the world.
That is interesting, Tom. I'm a tea person. I love tea because it is very relaxing. I like the different colors of tea. There's green tea, black tea, and red tea. But today we will talk about both. We will talk about the ingredients. To make coffee or tea, you need some basic things. First, you need water. Water is very important.
You are right, Anna. You need fresh water. You also need coffee beans or coffee powder. For tea, you need tea bags or tea leaves. These are the main ingredients. I have a small jar of coffee in my kitchen. I open the jar and the smell is wonderful. It makes me feel awake. Friends, do you have coffee or tea in your kitchen right now?
I have a lot of tea in my cabinet. I have a special box for my tea. Now, let's talk about the first step. The first step is to boil the water. You use a machine called a kettle. You put the water inside the kettle and you press the button. The water gets very hot. It starts to make a sound. Shh. That means the water is boiling.
I use a kettle too. It is a fast way to get hot water. When the water is boiling, it is very, very hot. You must be careful. Safety is important. Now, if you make coffee, you can use a coffee maker. You put the coffee powder in a filter. Then the hot water goes through the coffee. The liquid is dark and beautiful. It is like magic in a cup.
It does look like magic. For my tea, the process is also simple. I put a tea bag in my favorite cup. My favorite cup is big and yellow. It has a happy face on it. I pour the hot water over the tea bag. The water changes color. If it is green tea, the water becomes light green. If it is black tea, the water becomes dark brown. I wait for 3 minutes.
Waiting is the hard part. You want to drink it immediately, but it is too hot. While we wait, let's talk about the small things we add to our drinks. Some people like their coffee black. That means only coffee and water. But I like to add some milk. Milk makes the coffee creamy and white. I also add 1 spoon of sugar because I like it sweet.
Oh, I see. You like sweet coffee. I prefer my tea with a little bit of honey. Honey is very healthy and it comes from bees. It is a natural sugar. Sometimes if I have a sore throat or if I feel cold, I add a slice of lemon. Lemon is yellow and a little bit sour, but in tea it is perfect. It gives a very fresh taste.
Honey and lemon sound very good for the body. Friends, how do you drink your coffee or tea? Do you use milk? Do you use sugar? Or maybe you use nothing at all? Write it down. Practice your English. You can say, I like coffee with milk, or I like tea with honey. These are perfect A1 sentences.
Very good, Tom. Now our drink is ready. The temperature is perfect now. It is not too hot and not too cold. I take my cup with both hands. I feel the warmth on my fingers. It is a very cozy feeling.
I take a small sip. A sip is a very small drink. It is delicious. I feel the stress leaving my body.
I am doing the same with my coffee. I take a sip too. It is strong and it gives me energy. Now I feel ready for the day. I feel like I can do anything. This is why I love coffee. It is my morning fuel. We use the word fuel for cars, but coffee is fuel for Tom. It helps me think and it helps me talk to you, Anna.
Haha, you are funny, Tom. I am happy you have your fuel. Now, let's look at the words we used. We used water, kettle, boil, coffee beans, tea bags, cup, filter, milk, sugar, honey, and lemon. These are very common words in the kitchen. We also used verbs like to pour, to wait, to add, and to drink.
Yes, those are great words. Let's repeat them slowly. Water, kettle, coffee, tea, milk, sugar. It is good to say them out loud. When you are in your kitchen tomorrow, look at your kettle and say, "This is my kettle." Look at your milk and say, "I am adding milk." This is how you learn to speak fluently.
Exactly, Tom. Small steps every day. Learning English is like making tea. You need the right ingredients, you need a little bit of heat, and you need to wait and practice. We are so happy to be part of your routine. Thank you for spending these minutes with us. It means a lot to Tom and me.
It really does. You are the reason we make these episodes. We want to help you feel confident. Before we go, don't forget our small request. Please subscribe to Mr. Fluent English Channel. Give us a like and share this with your family. Maybe you can make a cup of tea for your mother or father and practice English with them.
That is a lovely idea. Sharing is caring. Well, my cup is almost empty now. I feel very relaxed and happy. Thank you, Tom, for this nice conversation about coffee and tea. I think I will go and read a book now while I finish my tea. The sun is still shining and it is a peaceful afternoon.
You are welcome, Anna. I will go and start my work now. My coffee gave me a lot of energy. Goodbye to all our friends. We will see you in the next episode with more fun topics and more English practice. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. Be happy and keep practicing. See you soon.
Bye-bye.